And welcome to Super at 60. I'm Darlene. Welcome to my home and welcome to my kitchen. Well, let's talk. Have you ever tried to lose weight? Yeah, it can be kind of hard. I mean, there's no doubt about it. It can be kind of hard. I don't care if it's 5 pounds. I don't care if it's 105 pounds. It's hard. It can be very, very difficult. And somewhere in that battle, you are fighting the, I gotta have a carb. I gotta have something. I gotta have fill in the blank, whatever it is. For me, it's cake. I like cake. I just love it. So the one thing that I do not want to do is make one, right? I mean, that would be stupid. A 13 by 9 slathered with frosting. Oh, that sounds so good. Or a beautiful layer cake with big old, slice out of it and some ice cream. I mean, that sounds really delicious to me. Well, I'm not going to do that. But there are days when I just simply have to have it. I have to have it. So I'm going to show you today really quickly and oh so easy how to make a 3, 2, 1 cake. It is so simple and it is on the ready just in those moments at those times where you simply have to have something or you're going to blow your diet permanently. All right, so this 3, 2, 1 cake, it's called 3, 2, 1 because there's basically 3 things that you have to do in order to have your cake ready on the ready right now. You don't want to wait, okay? And the first thing is some cake mixes, okay? You have to have a cake mix of your choice. This morning, I'm going to go ahead and choose this Devil's Food cake. And then the second mix you have to have, and you have to have both of these together, is an Angel Food cake mix. You have to have this, okay? So 2 cake mixes, all right? You gotta have that. Then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of water. And then you are gonna need a mug, but that doesn't really count right now. But and then the last thing is a microwave, okay? See the microwave back there? We're going to bake this cake at 1 minute, just for 1 minute, and then you're gonna have your cake. All right, I'm gonna put you down here on the counter and I'm gonna show you how difficult it is to put together. So cake mixes, I'm choosing chocolate, and then here is my Angel Food cake, all right? So that's the 3. The 2 is, why is that 3? Oh, I'm losing it here. That's the 3 out of the 3 ingredients, or no. All right, so here's my chocolate cake mix. I'm just pouring it right into a bowl. And I'm pouring it into a bowl that has a lid, because this is something you're gonna wanna keep in your pantry at all times. At all times, guys, I'm not kidding you. Oh my goodness. This is one of those Angel Food cake mixes, This smells so good. I don't see why. Every time I open one, I think the same thought. Why isn't this a potpourri? Why isn't this a candle or something? It just smells so wonderful. Okay, so in it goes with the chocolate cake mix. Remember that other cake mix can be anything you want it to be. I think spice would be really good. All right, just give it a good whisk. You could just put the top right on this and just give it a shake. That'll work too. Yeah, I haven't actually made this recipe, I guess you could call it, or this mix, in a really long time. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. And today is one of those days where it's like needing a chocolate fix or something, You just have to have something. All right, so we'll just leave that at that. I think that looks really good. All right, and then you have to have a mug, a microwavable, safe coffee mug. There's my little all year round mug. I don't just use him throughout the winter. I just love the shape of it. It's just cute. I'm gonna take just a little bit of oil. Here I have a little bit of coconut oil, coconut spray oil, just a very, very light amount, and just leave it just like that. All right, now I'm gonna take 3 scoops of our mix, 3 tablespoons, okay? 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. All right, and then you need 2 teaspoons right here of water. 1, 2, and then just take a teaspoon or something, or anything you got, and give it a good mix. Just mix it up really nicely. Nothing else goes in here, nothing. Now, if you want to be a little decadent, like even more than this is, you could put in a teaspoon of those itty bitty mini chocolate chips, or maybe stuff down in here a few little mini marshmallows. You know, using the word mini like really helps make it sound like it's diet, but it's not. You could actually end up eating more mini stuff than the regular size stuff, so don't fool yourself. All right, there we go. That looks very good. All right, I am going to stick this in my microwave for 1 minute, and I will be right back, like in 1 minute. All right, it is about 1 minute and 30 seconds after, and the reason for the 30 seconds is I decided I really wanted to show you what this looked like, so I decided to take it out of the mug and put it onto a plate. It smells so good. It's just that combination, you know, of the angel food cake and the chocolate cake, and it just smells delightful. And this is what you have when you're in that moment, and you gotta have it. Look at this sweet little cake. Isn't it adorable? You know what? It reminds me of a cupcake. If you just have to have a cupcake, here you go. It smells good. It's good. Look how spongy and delicious it is. And if you really, really just have to give it that little tiny extra and you want to be super, super decadent, you know what? I discovered these spray cans of whipped cream, like Ready Whip that I have here, or the store brand. There's hardly any carbs in there whatsoever. Any sugars, nothing. So go for it. All right, I'm going to give it a shake. And I'm just going to be really decadent here and give this a nice little dollop. Isn't that pretty? Maybe you could put just a few little itty bitty tiny sprinkles on there. Or like I said, those little miniature chocolate chips, that would be absolutely delicious. Knowing that this is your treat, say, for the week, or if you need it for 1 day, just 1 day, just 1 day. Or if you tell yourself, you know, if I make it by the end of the week, I can have that treat. And you can make up more than just one mix. If you just think you're going to get tired of that chocolate mix, make a vanilla one. Or yeah, make that spice one. Or there's all kinds of cake mixes out there you can use, any one of them. But do remember that the second cake mix has to be an angel food cake. All right, let's give it a try. Oh, it's so nice and spongy. It just feels like a cake. I mean, it just feels like a cake. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Look at that. It just looks fantastic. Really good. You're quite good. You know that? All right. Oh, boy. Oh, darn it. I should have taken pictures before I ate it. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so happy to have you here, and I hope that this little 3-2-1 microwave cake is going to help you get out of a moment that you just can't take it any longer. You're going to get in your car, you're going to go up to the fast food, you're going to grab a milkshake or something like that, and you don't have to. You don't have to. Look, it's right here. See? We made it. Your mix is right here. And look how much there is. You could make yourself, if your husband and you are both like trying to lose a little weight or be a little bit healthier, surprise your husband. Surprise your husband or surprise your wife tonight and make this mix and have this after your dinner. Yeah. Just have a great big old fat salad and then say, honey, what do you think about having cake for dessert? Cake? We're not supposed to have cake. Oh, yes, we are. And yes, we can. We just can't have it for the rest of the week, but it is real cake. Okay. It's not sugar-free. It is what it is. Okay. It's just a very tiny little small couple bites and you're done. And if you are able to do that and stay on your plan, you're going to lose that weight and you're going to be healthy and strong and you're going to feel, best of all, so good about you. Yeah. So thanks for being here today. I'm going to eat my cake now and yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay. Lord bless. Bye now.